All right, guys, back again with another video. Today we're going to talk about the Micro GroomsMan from Wahl. This is a home product, hair removal product you can use in many different ways. As you can see, we have an attachment for nose hair removal. We have a little attachment there for fine hairs along with a guard there. So let's open this up. All right, I'm just going to take this out here. And as you can see, you know, just a decently packaged item. It comes with some literature here if you want to read through that. But I think with these type of products, we all know that they're pretty much self-explanatory. And with this pen-like design, it should be fairly easy to use. I'm just going to take this out here. And that's it. That's pretty much it to it. Very portable, as you can see. Let's see what type of battery this thing takes. So it looks like here you would have to like give it a little tug here to remove it, and looks like it just take one little AAA battery, which we will insert right now here. All right, as you can see, and this lines up pretty simple. We would take this, slide it back down to the attachment, so the battery is actually underneath here. Once you remove the top of it, right, just to show you again, you would actually have to pull up on that. There you go. And the battery's there, just to give you guys a good idea. And on, off. So let's put this back down into the base there. And here you go. Here you can attach several different attachments. All right, looks like you just screw them on. That's your nose hair, right? Twist off. So we got that one. You have this little trimmer here, right? You sit down. That would give you this one. All right. All right. Twist that one off, and that's pretty much it. So your only other option with this is to twist that on, and then of course you have a guard. All right, you can pick this up for around $9 on Amazon. I will leave a link down in the description below. But this is very portable to, you know, get some of the unwanted hairs from areas that you don't want hair. 2 attachments that easily attach for the nose and for fine hairs as well. $9 on Amazon. So overall, my opinion with using the product, it does remove hair. Now, it's not going to get you a real close shave, but if you're trying to just remove some of the soft hairs, you would be able to notice that, especially with the nose hairs, this particular attachment here gets nose hairs pretty good. But also too, this is designed to fit in the nose area as well, so you can get some of those unwanted hairs out of your nose using that. But for $9, you can't beat it on Amazon. Link in the description below. You guys let me know what you think in the comment section. Until next time, as always, like, share, subscribe. See you in the next one.